What's up? It's Dustin, and I'm back with another subscription box unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the J.K. Rowling Wizarding World box from Loot Crate. It's a bi-monthly crate, and this is the first time it's been on time in like 5 months, so that's pretty exciting. I don't remember exactly what the theme is for this crate, but once we get in there it should tell us. So we will go ahead and break into this. I'll go ahead and tell you, like I always do, I pay for these myself. They don't send them to me, so everything in here, if I don't like it, you'll get an honest review. So that's what the sticker looks like. It's holding the box closed there. And we'll get right in. There's no tissue paper. That's kind of sad. So as always, we will set the shirt aside till the end and see what we have in here. So this is a Harry Potter set of notebooks. It's a set of 4 notebooks. We will break it open and see exactly what all of them look like. There's little pictures on there, but I don't think you'll be able to see what they look like just from the little pictures. So the first one is the keys from the Chamber of Secrets. It looks like constellations, and it has the happiness can be found in the darkness of times quote. The Whomping Willow with the always. And just a red one with a different house logos on there. And they're just blank little writing pages. Alright, that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing is Newt Scamander, a movie scrapbook book. Let's see, I don't want to get into that right now, but let's see what we have here. So it looks like it's just maybe the making of Fantastic Beasts. So it's kind of like the dark arts book that they have where you've got little things inside. So those are pretty cool. Those back inside there. Yeah, I mean, there seems to be a lot of things hidden inside the book. Alright, so moving on from that. We have a Gryffindor magnet. Looks like a door sign. Wizards welcome, Muggles tolerated. Wizard at work, no Muggles allowed. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's decently made as well. We have a pin, which oddly enough, it's not part of the Horcrux series. I'm not sure if they're done with that. I know we didn't get Nagini or Harry technically, but this is just a doe. And it looks like just an enter for a chance to win a trip to the Wizarding World. We'll read that later. So now for the shirt. If you can see it there. It is just a Hogwarts shirt. It's actually a pretty decent shirt. This says Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. It's very stretchy. It looks very comfortable. I like this shirt actually. I don't usually like or wear the shirts that come in these boxes, but that's actually pretty cool. And then lastly, we have the flyer that tells everything that we got. It looks like the only house-specific thing was the magnets over there. That's just what the other ones would have looked like. So, yeah. The inside of the box, these transform. It would turn into Hogwarts, it looks like, in the grounds. So, I have to say, this box is quite a bit better than the last box we received from them with the 4 items in it. My favorite thing in the box is probably going to be the book, just because I don't have this book yet, and every time I see a new Harry Potter or Fantastic Beasts book, I get it just to add to my collection. Least favorite thing is probably going to be the little pen. It doesn't scream Harry Potter to me. It's gold, not silver. If you can see it there. It just kind of looks like an afterthought. But that is all for this box. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you get notified when I post more videos. This month I still have the Geek Gear box and the Gobstone Alley. I got that for the first time this month. So I'll have those uploaded in the next day or so whenever I receive them. But yeah, if you liked the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Thanks. Have a good day.